What's going on, guys? Derek Johnson from Legendary here, and in this video I just wanted to dive into the blog. So on DropFunnels you get an SEO powered blog, and the strategy for me to actually do some blogging was to have a good looking blog that I didn't have to mess with. So what's cool about DropFunnels is you can create a blog template and then clone your blogs. So every blog will look exactly the same. You could tweak it if you wanted. But this was important for me because that stopped me from blogging a lot in the past because I didn't like how the blog looked. And so it didn't matter what I wrote. I just didn't want to write on there. But now you can make a blog and it will function a lot like a funnel actually. So that's what I do with my blogs on DropFunnels. I usually have a header here, a call to action with a video. That's my main layout. I have a little section break here, which is cool. And then I'll vary my color schemes back and forth with some pretty large font so people can read it pretty easily and stuff like that. So you can kind of scroll down here and read through the blog and see how this works. And this is how I structure pretty much all my blogs, because once you've set this up, you can basically duplicate this process as many times as you want to. So that's my tip for you guys, is get set up on a blog platform that you actually like to write on and that looks good right out of the box. I'm going to jump into the editor here just so you guys can see what it looks like on the back end. So this is the funnel editor here. You can see all the modules on the side. If you need a heading or a video or a button, you can just drag and drop these right out onto the page. And they've got advanced design modules and stuff like that down here. So pretty much anything you want to build is simply drag and drop and then add that content. So just to give you guys a little tip on how to do this kind of wave section, I'll show you here in the editor. So I'm going to go to row settings with this little wrench and scroll down here, and you can see I have my top shape here set to waves. I set my width to 5,000 and height to 10. So that gives it that. And I aligned it top center, gave it this color, and put 1 in here for scale X. So if you copy these settings in your blog, it's going to do this exact thing. And you can do these from the top or bottom. So like in this section here, if I show you and scroll down to row settings, it's going to be waves on the bottom, and it's bottom 5,000, 15, bottom center, and same thing for the shape style. So that's how you can combine two sections with two different kind of waves to combine into some neat design aesthetics on your blog. And then for the background, it's going to default to white. So if you want to change that, you would just go background color. These can be your brand colors, alternating back and forth, or kind of whatever you want to do. But I cover this inside the DropFunnels course, how to actually set up your blog, how to rank for specific keywords and stuff like that. So I highly recommend jumping in there and checking that out. And I'll put a link to that below in this video. I did the training around Christmas time, so I dressed up as Santa Blog. I was wearing a Santa hat going through. It's about a 20-minute video. You can speed that up using the Video Speed Controller Chrome extension. Highly recommend getting that. If you go just to my main site, tryjohnson.com, I have something called the Marketing Automation Toolkit. So up here at the top, you can jump into this, and if you stay on the page long enough, it'll probably pop up and tell you to get that toolkit as well. There you go. So these are cool little exit pops, and you can do time-based pop-ups like this. So if you want to learn more about how to do that stuff, jump in the Marketing Automation Toolkit, and I'll send you pretty much a couple courses and a lot of free tools, Chrome extensions and stuff like that to actually get you started with marketing online. So that's basically what I wanted to show you guys today. You can jump into the toolkit. You can get the free DropFunnels starter course. Either way you go, you're going to have a good foundation to start from. So with that being said, if you guys have any questions or things you want to see about DropFunnels over the next couple weeks, let me know. I'll be doing probably 2 videos per day, and I'll do some things I think you guys should be interested in and paying attention to. But also, if you have specific questions, I want to get those answered as well. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.